Understanding late fees, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, especially for those of you who are learning English and want to understand specific phrases used in everyday life. We are going to talk about the term late fees. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Late fees is a compound noun made up of two words, late and fees. Late. This word is an adjective, and it describes something that is not on time, delayed, or after the expected or usual time. Fees. This is a plural noun that refers to payments made to a professional person or to a professional or public body in exchange for advice or services. When combined, late fees refer to extra charges that a person has to pay for not returning a borrowed item on time or not paying a bill by the due date. To help you understand better, let's go through some examples. 1. Library late fees. If you borrow a book from the library and don't return it by the due date, the library might charge you late fees. This means you have to pay an extra amount of money for each day the book is overdue. 2. Credit card late fees. If you have a credit card and you don't pay the bill on time, the credit card company might charge you a late fee. This is an extra charge on top of the amount you owe for your purchases. 3. Rental late fees. If you rent an apartment or a house, and you don't pay your rent on time, your landlord might charge you a late fee. This is an extra cost that you have to pay for not paying your rent by the due date. Now that we know what late fees are, let's talk about how to avoid them. 1. Stay organized. Keep track of due dates for bills, rented items, and other obligations. 2. Set reminders. Use your phone or a calendar to set reminders a few days before a payment or return is due. 3. Pay early. If possible, try to pay bills or return borrowed items before the due date. I hope this video has helped clarify what late fees are and how you can avoid them. Remember, staying organized and being proactive can save you money and prevent unnecessary stress. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.